Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today I am making an excuse video. Today I was dealing with a lot of setbacks and a lot of nonsense that really shouldn't have been a thing. And a lot of it has to do with the startup I'm working on. And it just led to setback after setback after setback. And it's not even just this. It's other people that were also expecting money and getting paid, and everybody and their goddamn mother pretending as if it's everyone else's responsibility but theirs. And it's frustrating. It's frustrating that everyone I've spoken to, or one of my partners have spoken to, tried passing the buck. And here's the problem with this. It's not even just the fact that we're trying to get paid. We're trying to pay other people too. Like, we have workers in other states that are trying to get paid. We have rental companies that have been up our ass trying to get paid for the rentals we're using in order to accomplish what we're trying to accomplish that need to get paid. And everyone is trying to point fingers everywhere else because some dumb fuck dropped the ball. Now, this led to other opportunities in the process. We ended up finding a company that is much more direct with the kind of work we're trying to do, and that would lead to better pay if this works out the way I think. But the reality is, we don't know how well it's going to work out because everyone is trying to be a pain about it. But you probably don't know a whole lot of what I'm talking about, and I haven't made an official announcement video on this yet, and I keep saying I'm going to, but we're not solidified enough for me to justify it. So I'll give you a quick rundown. We recently got contracted with companies that work with FEMA, and it is what it is. We're trying to get people paid and whatnot. And it is what it is. We're trying to get people paid and whatnot. And we got equipment. We got guys out in other states. We're trying to make sure that the damage from the hurricanes is in the process of getting cleaned up. And we worked with a few different companies to accomplish this. The first one that we got hooked in with was not the guys that are directly working with FEMA. It's us, the people we're contracted with, a couple more people in between, and then FEMA. Then we ended up finding another guy that has less middlemen, and we ended up going with them, but they were a headache and a half as well. And now we found another guy with even less middlemen. Or at least I hope so. I keep getting told that there's less middlemen every time we speak to somebody, but I want to be as direct as it gets. The more people in the middle, the more money that gets lost along the way, you know? Which is fine. Like, they need to make money too. This isn't like we don't understand why this is happening. We do understand. We just need to get paid too, you know? But that's just the point. We're hearing from all these people saying,
"Oh, we haven't got paid yet, so we can't pay you until we get paid."
Really? Because everyone else is saying, "Oh, we paid them already. What are you talking about?" Like, really, pick a lane. Either way, it's a lot of politics and it's a lot of nonsense that I'm not very good at, to be honest. I don't like to argue about getting paid. Like, I don't want to chase people all the time. I have enough of that with Uber and stuff like that. This is just that on a higher level. And between that and just other setbacks that are happening with other contracts that we're working on, not that, but with the Discord server and everything else, that's neither here nor there. It just feels like we kept saying we're gonna get paid for the past like 5 weeks, and then for some reason there's a huge setback. And honestly, I'm just tired of it. I'm done. But that's the problem with government money. Government money is guaranteed, but good luck getting it, because everybody and their mother wants government money. Whether it's because you're doing the work or because you're sitting at home looking for the handouts. Anyway, that's really all I got for this video. We have a live stream tonight. If you saw this on post, there's a live stream happening in the Discord server now. If you're not in the Discord server, what are you doing? Go in the description, hop in there, join the Discord server and let us help you make the most amount of money in the least amount of time and the safest and less stressful way, because that has nothing to do with this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.